The world is at a crossroads right now. We are facing an unprecedented set of social, economic, and health challenges. The implications of coronavirus have impacted every facet of our lives. Unemployment in the US is at an all-time high, and the country's long history of racism has reached a boiling point. We simply cannot ignore the divisiveness and the inequality that is being exposed. And it is vital that we acknowledge these issues because, as Martin Luther King said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. People are scared, frustrated, and angry. And this is precisely why right now is the time to move toward unity. We have an opportunity to come together and support one another. In fact, many are moving toward unity already, practicing empathy, listening, and learning. If there is a small glimmer of hope during this time, it lies in people's ability to set aside their pride and to unite. This is what we strive for at Passion University, to create an inclusive, united community that uplifts and supports one another. And we are more committed than ever to uphold these values. We're here to listen, learn, and offer support. Our free resources are aimed at creating a safe space for people to come together and release and build up emotions and energy. We have created free online Passion Breath and Passion Dance classes precisely for this reason. And we want to do more. We have also included here a guide with additional free resources so our community can learn and grow with us. Take care of yourself, practice empathy and kindness, and let's keep learning together with passion.